Hello everyone, this is Geek Programmer here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compile and run your C++ programs on Linux using the terminal. So I've already coded a program here. So this is basically just a small program to print out hello world. I'll teach you how to program in my following videos. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to compile your program, create an executable file, and how to run that executable file. So firstly, I'm going to open my terminal here. If I list everything, I can see main.cpp. So firstly, you need to type g++. That is the command you call to create an executable file from a file which contains code. Then you type the name of your file which contains your code. Then you have -o and the name of whatever you want your executable file to be called. I'll just call mine main.out. Then you press enter. And there you have your executable file. So the order is g++, the name of your code file, and then -o space the name of your executable file, whatever you want it to be. You can change the order. Let me just delete that. You can also say g++ and first put -o main.out, which is your executable file name, whatever you want it to be, and then your code file name, main.cpp. That will also create an executable file. You cannot, however, run your executable file by just double clicking it. Nothing will happen. You'll have to run it on your terminal. And the way you do that is you type // and the name of your executable file, which in this case is main.out. And there it ran your program. It executed your program, hello world. It printed hello world, and that was all the program was meant to do. You can make much bigger programs. We will make some big programs in my following videos. This program was just meant to print out hello world, just so that I can show you how to compile your code, create an executable file, and run the executable file. So that's the end of this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you have any problems in the comments below. And that's it. This is Geek Programmer signing out. Sayonara.